Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use HDFC Bank Personal Loan. A personal loan is an unsecured loan that can be used to meet various financial needs such as weddings, travel, education, and medical emergencies. HDFC Bank offers personal loans with attractive interest rates and flexible repayment options. To apply for an HDFC Bank personal loan, you need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being a resident of India, having a minimum income of 20,000 rupees per month, and being between 21 and 60 years of age. You also need to have a good credit score, which is typically above 750. The first step in using an HDFC Bank personal loan is to check your eligibility and calculate your loan amount using the bank's online eligibility calculator. You can visit the HDFC Bank website and fill in your personal and income details to get an estimate of your loan amount and interest rate. Once you are eligible, you can apply for the loan online or by visiting the nearest HDFC Bank branch. You will need to submit your identity proof, address proof, and income proof documents, which include your passport, PAN card, and salary slip. You will also need to provide your bank statement and credit report. After submitting your application, the bank will verify your documents and check your credit score. If your application is approved, the loan amount will be disbursed into your account within a few working days. You can then use the loan amount to meet your financial needs. To repay the loan, you can choose from various repayment options, including equated monthly installments, which can be paid through auto debit or online payment. You can also repay the loan through post-dated checks or by visiting the nearest HDFC Bank branch. It is essential to make timely repayments to avoid late payment charges and to maintain a good credit score. You can also prepay the loan after a certain period, which can help you save on interest payments. In conclusion, using an HDFC Bank personal loan is a straightforward process that requires you to meet the eligibility criteria, apply for the loan, and repay the loan amount through flexible repayment options. It is essential to read the terms and conditions carefully and to make timely repayments to avoid any penalties. By following these steps, you can use an HDFC Bank personal loan to meet your financial needs and achieve your goals.